not check out the EasyJet lounge? With great food and drink, super fast Wi-Fi, and comfortable working spaces, it's the perfect way to start your holiday. With an EasyJet package holiday, you have access to thousands of amazing hotels across Europe. Choose from 100 destinations.
Smoking at downstairs from the top.
Welcome on board this EasyJet A320 flight going to Innsbruck. I'm joined in the flight deck by my captain Philip Briscoe, and in the cabin I have my wonderful team led by Drew, Malika, Martina and Des. So we're just finishing off the paperwork now. It should be a few minutes and then we'll close the doors and push back, taxi out to the easterly runway in London Gatwick. Take off and should have a flight time of 1 hour 25 minutes. We'll be cruising at 37,000 feet and we will get back to you with the latest weather and arrival time into Innsbruck.
We do have a shorter flight time today, as the captain's informed you, of 1 hour and 25 minutes. I'd like to extend a special welcome to the EasyJet Plus card holders, as well as those of you joining us on your package holidays. My name is Drew, it's a pleasure to be the cabin manager today. Working alongside me is a fantastic team. Alongside at the front is Des, in the centre of the cabin is Malika, and working from the rear is Martina. We are carried primarily for your safety, so with that in mind, we're now taking you the onboard safety features of this Airbus A320 aircraft. minutes time, the captain will release the crew to commence their flight duties. Have the seatbelt signs will remain on slightly longer for yourself until these have been switched off by the captain. We do recommend that while seated today, please keep your seatbelts fastened in case of any unexpected turbulence. When safe to do so, the cabin crew will commence the combined e-drink shop service on board, giving the chance to purchase a selection of sweet and savoury snacks as well as refreshments from the bar. We have 2 hot sandwich options today. These include the gammon and cheese toasty or the smoked bacon roll. The cold options include the coronation chicken sandwich, the tuna and cucumber sub, as well as the chickpea and mango falafel wrap. Any of which can be combined with meal deals to save yourself money on board. And we're also offering a special coronation themed meal deal, which is a slice of Victoria sponge, hot drink and the coronation chicken sandwich for just $8.95. We have a large section of hot drinks, sweet and savoury snacks, refreshments from the bar. If you wish to make the most of any extra discounts on the gift shop service, please let us know as we pass through. As mentioned, we're offering 20% discount off of the perfumes and aftershaves today, as well as 25% off the watches and sunglasses. These include top brands such as Ray-Ban, Citizen's Eco Drive watches, Emporio Armani and Michael Kors, as well as the full shop service on board. In the meantime, please do sit back, relax, enjoy the short flight over to Innsbruck and enjoy the views as we get closer to the valley. And we will be landing ahead of schedule there this afternoon.
Cruising now 37,000 feet at the minute, just about 60 miles to the south of Frankfurt, and heading southeasterly now towards Stuttgart, and they'll be descending after that and towards Innsbruck. Looking to be on the ground at right about 10 past 2 UK, 10 past 3 local time, and a very short taxi in today, so right about 20 minutes ahead of schedule today once we get on stand. Weather, as Mark said, on the ground in Gatwick is a beautiful day in the valley of Innsbruck, and temperatures 21 degrees, clear skies and a light breeze, so it should be a beautiful operation today. For those that haven't been to Innsbruck before, the gear for the aircraft will be going down very early, so it's quite a long process to getting from descent into the valley and landing into Innsbruck. So it's perfectly normal. It's just a standard procedure in flying into Innsbruck, so nothing to be concerned about. The gear seems to be down for that's enough from me now. I'll leave in the very capable hands of Drew and the crew, just like myself and Tiger. Thanks for choosing to fly with us today. I hope you enjoy the flight with us, and wish you a pleasant stay in the Innsbruck area. Thanks very much.
and gentlemen, as you just heard, the captain has now switched on the seatbelt sign indicating our descent into Innsbruck. We do ask now that all passengers return to their seats to ensure seatbelts are securely fastened. Just as for takeoff, we'd ask the window blinds are fully open, your tray tables are stowed, your armrests down. Laptops now need to be switched off and safely stowed. Those of you seated in rows 1, 12 and 13, as these are the exit rows, please ensure no loose items of clothing and baggage on the floor areas are placed into the lockers for landing. If I can ask that all passengers take the time to review the safety card, this contains important safety information. In the unlikely event of an emergency, please ensure all baggage is left on board. We'll pass through the cabin now with a final rubbish collection. Please ensure you leave nothing in the seat pockets and take the time now to hand in everything that you're not taking off the aircraft with you. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to Innsbruck, local time 1 hour ahead of the UK. We've touched down 20 minutes early this afternoon at a time of 3:10. Very shortly the crew will leave their seats to commence safety related duties. It is important that you all remain seated until we've reached our final parking stand and the seatbelt signs have been switched off by the captain. All devices, messaging calls or internet access may now be used. Before leaving us today, please do double check you have all of your personal belongings with you. Do check the seat pockets, surrounding floor areas, and then finally in the lockers. Do take care when using the lockers in case anything has moved during the flight and may fall out, injuring yourself or a fellow passenger. For the smokers amongst you, smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. We'll soon hand you over to the ground crew here. Should require any further assistance through the terminal, then please approach our staff for their help. All that's left to say is on behalf of the captain and the entire Gatwick-based crew today, it has been our pleasure welcoming you on board today's service. We appreciate the choice of airline to fly with and would like to thank you for choosing to fly with EasyJet today. We wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey to your final destination. Those home, welcome home. Those visiting, then please have a fantastic stay.